Hi! Welcome to AXA Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. The coordinates of P, Q, and R are 2/3 and 3/2, 1 and -3, and x and y respectively. If R is the midpoint of PQ, find the values of x and y. A. -5/6, -3/4. B. -3/4, 5/3. C. 5/6, -3/4. D. 3/4, 5/3. E. 3/4 and -5/3. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the boring method uses the midpoint formula. X equals 2/3 plus 1 over 2 equals 5/3 over 2 equals 5/6. Similarly, y equals 3/2 plus -3 over 2 equals -3/2 over 2 equals -3/4. Hence, answer is 5/6, -3/4. And that's letter C. The estimated time to arrive at the answer is 45 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option C. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, it's calculating the problem now. Okay, it gave us the correct answer in less than a minute, which is letter C, 5/6, -3/4. Now let's try this on Google Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option C. Let's see if Gemini can solve this as fast as ChatGPT can. Alright, Gemini was able to solve the problem less time as ChatGPT did, and the answer is letter C, 5/6, -3/4. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Since the y-coordinate of point Q is negative with a value greater than that of point P, which is 3 is greater than 3/2, the sum of these -3 plus 3/2 will be negative. Thus, the y-coordinate of the answer should be negative and the x-coordinate is positive. This eliminates options A, B, and D. Now, looking at the coordinates of P and Q, we observe that x and y coordinates of P are fractions with denominators 3 and 2 respectively, whereas the coordinates of Q are integers. Hence, half the sum of x coordinates of P and Q would yield a fraction with denominator 3 times 2 equals 6. Similarly, half of the sum of y coordinates of p and q would yield a fraction with denominator 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. The only option that satisfies this condition is option C. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is less than 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axolearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.